the embark general map. I added this, and I want to add something else. So what I want to be able to do is when I select with embark symbol, I want to be able to copy this to a register so that I can then have it in the register. So I don't, if I want to copy to a register, otherwise I would have to do like this, and then Control X, R, X, right? Copy to register, um, and put it in the register. I don't know, K. Oh, sorry. Let me redo that. Control X, R, X, and then copy to register K, right? For example, and then Control R, I, insert, and yeah, I mean, I don't want to do this. Selecting the region, because if you, I tried already, do it like this with Embark and then do Control X, copy to register, right? It will not really work. I can do L and then let's see what we have. So register, where did I bind it to? G. Yeah, see, what it copied was not the selection I had. So it's using the previous mark and region, I think, to kind of infer the region. It's using the previous mark, I think, to infer the region. It probably does from previous mark to point, right? Something like that. Uh, and we can actually go visit Control H F and go visit the copy register function, and see takes register, which I guess it's the letter, the start and end of the region, and then optional view flag region. Well, whatever. But go inside the function. Yeah, you can see that this is where it reads the register, right, and binds it to register, and then region beginning, region end. Yeah. So it wants to have explicitly a region. But if I go back here, I can also look at how to set a register. You can see that it's pretty simple, like set register, register, so that will be whatever register. We can actually pass this, we can copy this, right? Control period and W to copy it, to put it in the paren, right? And then I want to set a register by just passing what embark is capturing, right? So this will be embark copy to register. And you can see that I was trying this and I had to spend a bit of time to figure out how things work. So this is from embark, what is it called? Embark copy as kill, this line basically. But it's really not what we want. I'm not sure how the copy to embark copy as kill manages to achieve what it does, but I found that there's a way simpler way to do what I want, which is to get a register, like select this, and then choose a register key, and that's it. Copy this area, right? This region, let's say. And the way to do that is to just do a set register, and do a let register. It's going to be this, and then set register with what? With the format of strings, or actually, yeah, we can just call it strings. I think it's fine. What is it saying? Why are you blue? Like, fine. Yeah, see, I was going to, where is it? Format. Oh, bad format sequencing call. Format at string offset 0. One call with one argument to fill two format. Oh, I see. Yeah, that's that. Very well. Now, I think now it should be fine. Yeah, it is fine. Doc string, um, prompt or register key where to store strings. Nice. Now this is embark-become. Let's try to use it. I think it will work. I'm not sure. Did I bind it to anything? Or copy to register? I thought I had. I thought it was bound to a key. I thought it was bound to a key. We can bind it to S, maybe. Let's see. Is it already taken? Yes, it is. I searched for that. Let's bind it to this. Be sure nothing uses that. Embark copy to register and check. And my awesome key binding and check whether it will copy it correctly. So I can bind it to E. Let's try insert. What's in E? Wait, what? Copy to register N. Try this. Okay, this was correct. I don't know where it got that one from. Maybe I had a switch buffer open and I executed like, let me try with this. Let's copy all of the line, right? And let's do this. Let's copy it to register 1. Just insert. Yeah, it looks correct. So curious. Oh. I see. I think that it's because it was the word embark. H, embark. Okay, this is fine. But if I do this, and I do it again, and I bind it to 2, okay, it's still embark. and 2, 3. Yeah, it's because it was the the either the package or yeah, it was the package because I had cycled to the file. That's interesting, but it's also kind of helpful, right? Like it can be kind of helpful. All right. Very well. And so by doing just this small, tiny little function, I have now what I wanted to have. Um, and I can still use the other key binding that I think I set up. Let's see, did I set it up? Register store with a capital Z. I did with a capital Z. And so capital Z, and I can add the point, buffer, frame set, window. I think I'm good. I think I'm good with this. Let's see, can I copy a rectangle? I use rectangles quite a bit. I don't know if it's a good thing or not. Let's see. Do I have the rectangle to register? I don't really think so. Register. Copy rectangle to register. Let's see if it worked. Let's put it in P. Control R, insert. Control X R, insert the P. Yes, it worked. So that's good. We can probably look at the other embark, maps, right? Because maybe we can make one like add a key binding to either region or rectangle if there is one. No, there's nothing for rectangle mode. Man, rectangle mode is so rectangle mode is so undervalued, but I guess it depends. Like if you don't work with things that are formatted a certain way, that much makes sense. Ah, here it is. Embark. It's I think to narrow to region is Control X N and then N again. Yes. So let's see. We have quite a bit of stuff in here. I don't know if it. I don't know if it Embark consider this rectangle mode thing as a region. It should, but not quite sure. You see, it doesn't really. yeah, it doesn't really match it. Like it goes like this. Act on region of text between start and end into register. Huh. What if I do W? The scratch buffer. Okay. Yeah, it's the Is it the whole thing? Yeah, it is. Ah, that's disappointing. But we can maybe just add something for the um, rectangle. So we can do that. We did this map, and then we have embark region map. Region map. And here we can have, let's see. It's a rectangle, right? If I do this and here, actually there's a few control R, so I can do control K maybe, and bind it to let's see, rectangle. Let's see. Copy rectangle as kill, yank rectangle, copy rectangle to register. I will do copy rectangle as key for this. And then see, let's see again. Not register, maybe. Oh, maybe capital R. Do we have capital R? Yes. So I will do Control L just because. Control L. No, not as key, as kill. And then copy rectangle to register. Right? Copy rectangle to register. Can I do this? Yes. So copy rectangle to register. Or do I need this? Yeah, no, I don't need this. Very well. Let's go to the end and evaluate this. And so now I can just create a region, do this, and I should have the options here, although this is not a rectangle, right? Oh no, it's not there. What if I press it? What if I do Control L? Oh, it does work. It just doesn't show up there, does it? Oh no, it is. It's at the top. I thought that the key binding, complex key bindings were down. Okay, it's fine. So good. So it seems like it works. I wonder if I pass a normal region, is it still considered a rectangle? Copy rectangle to register. Let's try with the K. K1, yeah, it works. It still works. And what if I do an actual rectangle? Do this, and let's try to do copy rectangle to register, and let's try 9. Yes, it works fine. What? Register does not contain text. Oh, because I did insert, right? But I thought it was text. Oh yeah, it did. Yeah, it works. Not sure. Well, anyways. Very well, this works kind of fine. I won't lie, this seems to work well. Very well. And I think I will grab some water. Second. So be right back. So let's see a little bit here. Embark consult, Embark register, eglot. So I think with Embark, I'm already quite happy. I'm sure I will find other things that I want to bind, and maybe some other um, maybe some other key bindings for things, because I like to use registers a lot. I will probably find some other use. So it's quite nice. Point file frame. So what if I do this? Yeah, this is still what if I do this? Oh, if I choose a region, then I do get okay. Let's see if there's an info page of Embark. There should be. Go to the top. Embark. Okay, quick start. Embark. How does Embark call the actions? Related packages, resources. Acting on targets, the default action target sets a possible target. Different command without losing what you type. Oh, let's see. This is interesting. So I can't. So let's see. I have a Python file, maybe. No. Test.py. No, I don't want this. Let me delete it. Delete file. Yes. This is done. Test.py. Nice. Buffer is read only. Okay. Now should be good. All right, Ziegler running. Yes. Very well. So this file is created. So let's say that I want to, I close the buffer, kill the buffer. Let's say that I want to switch to test.py, but let's pretend I don't have it here, right? I can do become, where's embark-become? Become. And so I can turn it into find library, switch to buffer, file, find file point, find file. So this now it's find file. Okay, yeah, it's neat. It's pretty neat. And I remember something about this, but I never really used it much. How do I go to the next page? There, next page. No cross-reference. No, I don't want cross-reference. Can I go to overview? Yeah, nice. So advanced configuration. Setting commands via completions instead of key bindings. Information about available targets. Selecting commands via completions instead of key binding. Oh, this is okay. Oh, defining actions for new categories of targets. Well, this sounds a little bit like the thing that I would like to do with rectangles. So maybe I can look into this. It would be great if the tab mark commands reported the completion category tab when asking you for tab completion. They do not, unfortunately. I will describe a couple of ways to deal with this. Okay. Find the console read function. Sometimes found. Tab list, prompt tabs, category tab. Okay. Much nicer. Yeah, it's more concise. You'll find myself tab my name. Much name. Okay. Why did I close it? Embark advanced configuration. Where's that? Advanced configuration. New target example, regular buffers. Short Wikipedia links. Okay. Say you want to teach Embark to treat text of the forum. Oh, okay. So you can, yeah, okay. So you can make like, let's say parsers as well, right? This is nice. go put in the mini buffer. Oh, I remember about this one. There's a way that we can change it. So, right. So in Embark, if you want to, so let's say I'm searching for something like mode line, right? And then I want to export, right? I want to export this. One of the things that might be annoying sometimes is that whatever you were searching for, etc., is it's lost, right? You exported it and the mini buffer was closed. But if you want to, that does not have to be the case. So one way to do this is, let's say mode line again, is to add a prefix to your embark act key binding. So I can do control 2, for example, and then control period, right? And then export. And that didn't work. Should it work? Maybe it works with switch buffer. Let's try. So let's say that I want to export this, right? Control 2 as a prefix, and then embark act, and then export. Oh man, it still does it. Then I really do need to read the documentation. Okay, you can change it by setting the user option. I mean, I'm not with minibuffer, for example, you can use file, describe package, then quit. If you want to control the quitting in the action, you can set embark quit after action to an A list associating commands to either T for quitting or nil for not quitting. Oh, but I also remember there was a prefix thing. Yeah, exactly, here. When you call it outside the mini buffer. Okay, but that should not be, this should not be the case here, right? So I can do something like maybe control 1. Is there a difference if I do it like this? Wait. Will quit mini buffer after action. No, don't. This is weird. Will not be. Oh, I know what was happening. So I was using control 1 instead. I should have used meta 1. So let's try it again. So okay, here it is. If I want to use embark and not quit the mini buffer, that is, if I want to export my buffers, right, Emacs buffers, right, or the let's say elisp, the elisp buffers, I can meta 1, right, alt 1 to give a prefix, and then control period, and you can also see it written will not quit mini buffer after action. Export. I have exported the stuff, and yet it quit the mini buffer. That was a lie. Will not quit mini buffer. Okay. Let's try to copy this with W. Okay, with W is fine. It's true. What if I wait? prefix will not quit the mini buffer. You said it. You said it. Will not quit the mini buffer. Let's try collect. Oh, it quit it again. If you are using the quitting and non-quitting variants of embark act about equally often, you may prefer to simply have separate commands. Nah, I think I can remember using this, but so let's try to do L. No, Emacs, right? Let's try to not quit the mini buffer. Quit it. Why did you do that? Why? So it's not for all. It's not for all commands, but sure it seems that for some of them it does quit it regardless. Find file other window. Okay, I can find the other window and still have the mini buffer open. So that is possible. Can I copy to register? Let's put it in the O register. Yes, so this works. Okay, this is fine. This is not too bad. This is actually good, right? So this seems good. It's just that for export, it keeps quitting. I mean, maybe there's something about it. Embark export. Let's see, does it say something about quitting? No, it doesn't. No. Yes. Quit. Oh, embark, quit and run. Quit and run. Oh, okay. Does it take a prefix or something? No. Transform candidates. It doesn't look like. It looks like. I think it looks like embark export will just quit. Yeah. I think so. Quit and run. Only one quit. Running hooks before, after, or around an action. Creating your own keymaps. I thought this was. Oh, you can make your own set. Yeah, this is good if you're also like making your own. If you're making your own pipes, let's say, right? Your own targets. Selecting commands via completion, non-interactive functions as action. Oh, how does Embark call the action? This is interesting. So Embark does support one other type of action, a non-interactive function of a single argument. Target is passed as argument to the function. Okay. So this is the use case for the register that we did. Note that normally binding non-interactive function to keymap is useless, since when attempting to run them using the key binding, we get an error message. It's more flexible to write any new embark actions as commands, that is, as interactive functions. It's that way you can also run them directly without embark. Yeah, true. But there are a couple of reasons to use line target function. You may already have the function lying around. Yeah. For command actions, the targets can only be simple strings with no text property. There are certain advanced usage, you may want the action to receive a string with some text properties. Oh, okay. Or even as non-string target. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, but in my case, it's just a string, right? So I guess it's fine. I mean, it was really simple in the end to set that up. So that's good.